Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.05 Input Shelf Base Clip Price. Shelf clips are in the hardware category on the cost workup sheet. There are 46 rows of hardware items, starting in row 218 and ending in row 263. Shelves have dimensions on the project dimension sheet. Included in dimensions is the quantity of 4 shelves. Shelf clips do not have dimensions on the project dimension sheet. If shelf clips require dimensions to calculate accurate cost, the width, depth, and height dimensions are entered on the cost workup sheet in row 250 over the green character values in cells N, O, and P respectively. Shelf clips are used to mount the shelf. Every part, piece, or item must be included in the cost workup. Row 250 is hardware clip, shelf. Enter 25 cents per piece for 1 shelf clip in cell T250. When the price is entered in cell T250, the total material cost, $4.40 for that material, is calculated in cell X250. The quantities in column Q and column R impact the value. The quantity in column Q is the range name SCTN1, SHLF, BSE, A or L, LWR, QTY, which means Section 1, Shelf, Base, All or Left, Lower, Quantity, from the project dimension sheet, which is 4 shelves. Column Q on the cost workup sheet is a formula. Do not change it. The quantity in column R is the number of clips necessary to support each shelf. 16 shelf clips will be used at 25 cents each, which equals $4. Add 26 cents for freight allowance and 14 cents for scrap allowance, and the total cost is $4.40. Quantity is entered separately in subsequent instructions examples. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.4.05 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.4.06.